Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. So press and hold it. After the menu opens, scroll through it by swiping on the screen and find the option called Display and Brightness. Once you find it, tap on this option and here you should see the brightness option. Tap on it and now we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done you can press the back button to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.